Welcome back, Upstreamers. Today we'll be trying to simplify and understand indicators visible in your e-wallet when looking and trying to decide which stake pool you're going to delegate your ADA to. Upstream. The first thing you will notice when scrolling through all the options is the name of the stake pool. Here you will see links to any available social media platforms and their website. It's pretty simple, right? Well, once we have broken down the other indicators, they all seem just as obvious as well. The next indicator we'll look at is ROA. Anyone who has dabbled with trading or investing at any stage or platform may very well recognize this as rate on assets. This is effectively the same here. We refer to it as rate on ADA. This is a rough percentage estimate of expected returns on your ADA investment over the course of a 12-month period. Next is the share or pool size. This is a representative percentage of how much of the total supply of ADA is staked in that particular pool. ADA has a total supply of 45 billion, with every staking pool on Cardano network having a staking limit of 64 million. So this number will rarely read more than 1%. The number that is shown above this, or below if you're on mobile, is the exact amount of ADA delegated to that pool. The higher the amount staked, the more likely this pool will be chosen to create a block during an epoch. However, choosing a smaller pool will potentially yield a larger reward if that pool is chosen to create a block, as there are less delegators for the rewards to be distributed among. Next, you'll see two numbers in the cost column. The first is a 340 ADA fixed fee, and the next is a percentage. Both of these are taken out by the pool operator before they delegate the rewards, and it's basically the cost for them running the node. Generally, the percentage can be anywhere between 1% and 5%, and it depends on what the pool is using that for. So for example, we use that percentage to try and raise more money for charities. Finally, you have the pledge amount. This number shows how much ADA the pool operators themselves have delegated or pledged to the pool when they started operating. Generally, this shows how serious the operators are to their pool. If they're putting more of their own money in, it shows they're more serious about actually properly operating that pool. Hopefully this has helped demystify the information presented when trying to decide your staking pool you want to choose. If you have any questions, then leave a comment below. Make sure you follow us on Twitter at Upstream_ADA. And if you're looking for a stake pool to delegate to, might I suggest Upstream.